Hello everyone. Good morning. Thank you so much for being here with me. Today I want to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do only light language. I am in outdoors. It's going to be noises. I do have crickets this time. A lot of crickets. I do have the sounds of the birds playing around, and I want you just to tune into every sound and do not judge it or have any agenda. Just analyze it, feel it, and recognize what does it make you feel. I have learned to meditate with any type of music, any type of noise. I have learned that I not only can be still when there is just silence. It could be a baby crying or anything, and I just focus on my own channel and I'm able to tune into very powerfully. But I started doing because I started meditating with normal noise. Where I am is in a park, and there is a highway close, so cars pass by, and if I concentrate in the sound of the cars, the crickets, the wind, my voice, or whatever, I am able to go deeper and deeper into myself in a way that anything outside of me doesn't affect me. This is a practice that I started doing, I think 2 years ago. I was still working in an office, and sometimes it was very stressful. The way that people talk to each other, the way that people fight against each other, because we were like 50 people in an office, and that was my practice, so I could tune into my own channel and not be affected for whatever moods people had. And this is why I decided to be in this very noisy place, so we can practice together. I remember that my guy said that meditation doesn't always has to be with still body and mind. You can be doing dishes, you can be driving, you can be listening to someone, and you can just tune into your own channel and then perceive what's happening around, how you are react, and what you need to do in order for you to rectify that channel. I do have a dog too. Okay, I'm just going to go with the flow. So my idea, it was that I would just use pure light language without any instructions, and you can just tune into practicing to keep your own channel strong. So let's begin. Mikiata kara osoki ishta, sekuti kara komai hibiki ina. Kite ka ashka tara osoma, kiti ishki tara isekuti iki ina. Miki na te kara osoma, tiki ishka tara asekuti iki ina. Keep listening to the noise that is around, but don't let the noise drag you off the connection. Just focus on whatever noise that feels more comfort for you, whether that it is my voice, the crickets, the birds, the wine, or your own breathing. Chimara sarataraska oshka tiki anake esete iki eshka. Ni na te esako tiki eshka ta iki enaki teki aka. Nina teki asako magi haratara isakoresh teki ikina. Allow yourself to reconnect deeper and deeper and deeper. Feel the light, feel the sounds, discern between the different channels around you. See which one feels more pleasant and comfortable for you to tune in. Chikira kara osoma te iki eshta, te iki inite iki aka, te iki eshka. And that practice can help us to rebalance when we are in crowded places. Ki eshta mase te iki ine eka te ako oro otere ese ki ishka. ki iti ki ikima. Ki te kara o soko ishki te iki ina. Ki ime ki asa ku ishka te iki ina ke daka oma ase ki ishke inia. I want you to breathe and inhale the light and allow each sound to reveal by itself. More connected within you, you will feel ki ishkitara omai se ki ina. Kikitaka nana are amai se ki ashkati iki ina. Muniana teya seku ishkitara seku tia kemigiara asiki ashkati iki ina. With every sound is going to have a frequency that is revealed into your feeling. Some sounds, like noise, have a little bit of distortion on it. Sometimes it can feel painful to the empath or sensitive like us. When that happens, I just tune into another noise so I can bring balance into. I do believe each note, each sound, it's beautiful by itself. It's just the way that it is reorganized is what make it a sound that is in harmony, a sound that comes from the light, and a sound that is just expressed in distortion, but it is within the choice of all of us. Sounds, when they are coordinated in harmony, they become beautiful sounds from the universe. And sounds that they are disorganized and disorder and disharmony, they will feel like noise that hurt because they crack our technology, crack us. It feels like they crack our chakras and our balance. What you could do is bring more light so you balance that distortion, and that distortion can be rectified in the best way and for the highest way. That is available for you and for everyone else. And what I do it is that you can tune into something else that will bring neutrality. In this case, that there are cars passing by, wind, I have a dog here. Maybe the crickets will make the magic for us to tune into our own soul. And this is how we can practice to keep ourselves into a balanced portal. And the dog is just making funny gestures. I think he's hungry. I think that's it for today. I hope you like it. Please practice to bring calm into unexpected places, into places you never expect that you will have peace, love, light, and many blessings. Bye-bye.